Morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, the 1st of June. Quick update on cryptos. Remember, this is just my technical analysis, not financial advice. All right, looking at Bitcoin first. Nothing has changed over the weekend. We're still doing the A, B, C, D, E for our triangle. So I keep harping about this triangle. So we're busy finishing off the last three waves now. So it could end there, or I think it might even be finished now. So as soon as we break this, then it's confirmed. All right. Then we've got a move down to whatever it is, 20 or whatever thousand. So triangle still playing out, still within my yellow lines. Okay, so very dragged out sideways movement. Ethereum also, it's got this. Let me first got Ripple XRP because following this very closely. All right, so we've got an A, we've got a B, and now we're waiting for our C to work up to the 1.2, 120 area. From there, it needs to decide if it's going to come down again or actually break through 130, and then we in a bullish run again. But watching the BTC doing a very sideways and waiting for a down move, I just want you to be aware of this scenario. What if this is a flat B? So what happens then is you got your A up, instead of now you've got 5 down A, B, C. So that'll make an actual B wave, right? So that's your flat structure for A, B, and then only we get our C up to the 120 zone. Right, so if we can't get up there straight away now, especially with Bitcoin going straight down, then this might follow. But this won't, I don't think this will do what Bitcoin's doing. It'll do this wave here. So we've got then a flat structure before we move up to finish the C wave. And in my case, I'm hoping it's going to be the wave 3, which is all the way up. All right, so just be aware that this could happen like this before we get that. All right, if we can't get this thing to carry on up today. So today is important. If we can break above this 110, we're at the high of 110 early this morning. If it stays below that, then unfortunately we're going to come retest this 80 cents area. Okay, there's my blue box, 82 cents, before it will continue up again. But nothing to worry about, just hold on to that. So having said that, Ethereum, everything else might do the same. So we've got an up move, but then because this is supposed to be the next up move like that, like a zigzag, this might also be the 1, 2, 3 like this beat, and then we have our move up to this level. All right. Same for Litecoin. Same for basically everything. Okay, so we had our A. Now this is doing like this, and then up there, or could be up to down there, and then up to there. Okay, so that is the patterns to look out for Litecoin and for Ethereum. And then we're looking at SHIB. SHIB is still doing this wave 4, and I keep saying this, I'm waiting for it to do the dip here, so it'll follow with Bitcoin now, and then after that we should see a rise in SHIB for those who are trading SHIB. Let's look at Doji. Doji still doing exactly what we want, so this is still working out perfectly. Again, repeating myself, we got our B wave, and now we're building the C. So what I can see is I can see 1, 2, 3. I can see the sideways wave 4. So there's my red line from last 2 weeks ago. So I'm still waiting for this dip down to there. So if Bitcoin blows down, then this will follow down to there, and then we can look at a nice area for Doji. So like I said last week, if you're in Doji, you can just hold, nothing to worry about. ADA doing magically. I haven't analyzed ADA for a long time, so let me just see what we've got here. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So we could have A, B, C, D, E. So we could have, which looks like a triangle here as well. So possibly we could see a new low down here before we really go high. So it's still looking good. Wouldn't worry too much about AD is forming very nicely. But be aware, if we can't get out of this triangle to the upside, we probably would meet the low here again. What is that? $1, just under $1. Following Bitcoin perhaps, and then from there we'll go. All right, so it's still looking good. I think that's it for now, guys. Good luck, and like and share. By the way, leave some comments. What is there anything else you guys would like to see? Some like Cardano, some like some other weird ones. If it's a very small coin with a low market cap, like a very bad shit coin, I'm not going to look at it. But if it's something a lot of people are looking at, then maybe I'll add to my charts and see if I can analyze it for you. All right, guys, good luck.